Today we are going to learn something valuable with this. Yes, everybody knows it. It is a Matchbox, and we are going to learn something valuable using Matchbox. By the way, have you ever learned something new related to English using a Matchbox? You have never. That is why let's have some fun with the Matchbox in order to improve our English. But before getting into today's video, I want to let you know I am simply an English learner, and I am making this video with the intention of boosting my confidence, becoming comfortable on camera, and improving my second language, that is English. That's why I am going to share something really valuable I have recently learned related to Matchbox and Matchsticks. Because the more you share, the sooner you learn, okay? The effectively you learn. Let's start our video. This is a Matchbox. It is a small rectangular box that holds matchsticks. Let me show you. There are only few available matchsticks. There are not a lot of, okay? And it is usually made up of cardboard, thick paper, and thin wood. How surprising it is! Cardboard, paper, and thin wood can easily catch fire. Yet matchbox are made up of those materials. It is because of its secure feature, means it can't catch fire automatically unless we put external forces. Now let's talk about the different parts of matchbox. It has two parts. First is outer part. This is the outer part, and this is the inner part. Okay, so let me explain it. This is the outer part, and it is like a tunnel, a rectangular tunnel, right? It is like a tunnel, and it has two strips in both sides. This is called first strip and the second strip, and combined two strip. It holds some chemicals. I don't know the name, but there are some chemicals, and it is also called striking surface. Okay, these strips, first strips and second strips, are called striking surface because when we strike the matchstick against it, it generates heat and finally turn into fire. And this is the inner part called a drawer. A drawer we usually have in our household furnitures where we preserve our key, money, lipstick, and so many things. Okay, and it slides in and slides out. Let me show you. Now it slides in like this, slides in, and we push it from this side, it slides out from the outer part, right? Slides in, slides out, and this is the part where all the matchsticks are kept securely, right? Now let's talk about the matchstick. Okay, slides out. Here are few matchsticks. Grab one and keep it aside because I am going to talk about this. Even it has two parts. If you carefully look, it has two parts. Okay, the first part is head or chemical tip, and the second part is wooden part, right? The stick, and we hold it here before striking, and chemical tip or the tip part or chemical part, okay, or the top part catches fire. For example, let me show you. Everybody knows it. I know that you know it. Even kids, they know it, right? But I am doing it just to improve my English, okay, my confidence. All right, that's why you watch it carefully. Okay, how do we strike it? How do we create fire? Let me show you. We grab the wooden part. We grab the wooden part of a matchstick. Not, you can't grab it here. Okay, you can't grab it here because if you strike grabbing like this, then it will hurt you. It will burn your fingers and hand. Okay, it will burn you. It will burn you for sure. So you need to grab the second end of the second end of the matchstick. Okay, this is the first end, that is tip or a head, or this is the second end. So you need to grab it here and bring it here, like hold the matchstick with the right hand and grab your matchbox with your left hand. Bring both of them closer. Okay, and now it's time to strike. When you strike, it means you rub it. Okay, you slide this tip of the head, okay, head, yeah, what I'm saying, the chemical part, against the strip, chemical strips available on the matchbox, and it produces heat and finally catches fire. Let me show you. I am striking it. Arey yaar. My god, it has broken. Look at this. It has broken. Oh, look this. It has caught fire. The matchstick has caught fire. It is burning, right? It is now burning. Now we have learned about it. Now let's learn about how to put out the fire. When you put out the fire or extinguish, very hard for me to pronounce. Extinguish, okay, means bujhana. Put out the fire or extinguish the fire means आग को बुझाना. The matchstick has caught fire. It is burning. You can also say it is lit. The flame is small but it is strong. So to put it out, you need to blow it out. Okay, you simply blow air from your mouth like this. I blew it out means मैंने इसे बुझा दिया. You can also say put out the fire. I have put out the fire. You can also say extinguish the fire. I have extinguished the fire by blowing it out like this. Now let's summarize our lesson. It is a matchbox. Take one matchstick out or grab a piece of matchstick like this, okay, and strike the matchstick against the chemical strip available on the matchbox. So I am striking it. Okay, now it is burning. The matchstick has caught fire. It is burning. It is lit. Okay, now let's blow it out means put the fire out. I blew it out. I have put the fire out. Okay, that's it. If you found this video helpful and learned something new and valuable, like this video and subscribe this channel.